We just got to Campo and walking up to the monument. It's happening. Feels pretty surreal. First marker, first steps on the trail. Hey, how's it going? I'm Mari and I am just starting out the Pacific Crest Trail. I'm hiking it with my boyfriend Nick. There he is. I'm from California. Nick is from New Zealand and I've been living in New Zealand with him for about 3 years. I'm really excited to be back in California and back in the US and doing this big adventure. And that's kind of an understatement. It's been a lot of planning and it feels kind of surreal to have this moment of actually be out here. Last night we stayed at Scout and Frodo's. They're just the most generous, nice humans who let all these hikers come and stay at their house the night before. They give you dinner, they give you breakfast. You get to meet all these other hikers. I think there were 34 people last night there. And they have all these volunteers that, we had a nice guy named Kevin who drove us out to the trail. It was about an hour drive. This past week has been pretty stressful, just trying to organize and get everything ready. But having last night at Scout and Frodo's was so nice. Like, I just am so thankful. It was really calm and stress-free, and yeah. So, feeling pretty good. I can't believe this is happening. This is like our new home now. We took some group photos with everyone at the terminus. We looked over at Mexico across the wall, and now we're on our way. The desert is looking really green. Very exciting. One mile, made it. Let's not think about how many we have left. Just a few more miles. The sun's coming out, it's getting warm now. So it's noon and we've done 10 miles, 10.24 to be exact. We've just stopped off in some shade and about to eat some lunch. Yeah, doing pretty good so far. Feeling pretty good. My pack feels pretty heavy, so I'm trying to drink a lot of water. I think I have a lot of food as well, but I'm sure I've already been thinking in my head some things that I could ditch at the next town, so yeah, I'm sure it will all just come in time. How are you feeling, Nick?
I'm feeling good. Good. Yeah, it's just super stoked to be out here, really. It's so amazing, like desert. I've never walked in a desert before. And now that I am, I'm loving it. It's awesome.
Yeah. What's for lunch?
We've got some tortillas. Classic. We've got wraps.
Cheese. And yum. Emergency. Alright, delicious lunch. Well, as delicious as it could be, and on the road again. And yeah, we're thinking we're gonna stop and camp tonight at Hauser Creek, or maybe right after Hauser Creek. Yeah, we're not gonna push it all the way to Lake Marina. Lake Marina's about 20 miles in. Since we didn't train a ton, we're trying to start off slow and not burn out in the first week. So yeah, nice cruisy time, but enjoying the scenery. We just stopped at Hauser Creek. We refilled our water. A lot of people were camping there tonight, but it was pretty full up. So I think we're gonna go up there. It's still pretty early. It's only around like 3 o'clock or something, so we've got plenty of time. We set up our tent. Pretty good. It's a little bit of a small spot, but we use some rocks and stuff to set it up. It looks pretty good, and the views from here are awesome. My dad sent me along the way with a little baggie full of Easter eggs because it's Easter, so eating some of them, they got a little bit squished and melted, so good excuse to eat them all right now. And then we're just gonna eat dinner and hang out. We walked today 16.5 miles. Pretty good effort for our first day, I think, especially because I haven't walked that far in a long time. But I was really feeling it on the walk up here. I was slowed down a lot. So it's good. Glad to be done for the day. Dinner, rice and beans. Yum, 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 yum. Sunset on night 1. So good. There's our tent over there. Good morning. We just took down the tent. It was an okay sleep. It was like kind of tossy-turny, trying to figure out how to stay on the sleeping mat situation. We were on a little bit of a slope, so I don't know. Feeling not 100% today, like kind of like, I don't know. Yeah. We're gonna go eat breakfast at Lake Morena. That's the plan.
Morena.
It's Lake Morena, or Morena. Morena in Maori, the New Zealand language, means morning. So, good morning. Alright, so we came into Lake Morena. We were all set. We had made overnight oats to eat for breakfast. That's what we were gonna do. And then we met someone and he said, "Oh, but you gotta go to the malt shop and get a breakfast burrito." And then we came upon some trail magic. Stone Dancer was out there giving out Gatorade and coffee. So we had that, and then she also really recommended going to the malt shop, so yeah. Worth it? Yeah. Now I'm very full because I don't quite have the hiker hunger yet. And now we're gonna walk it off back on the trail, but it was a really good stop off, nice relaxing, and filled up water, used toilets. Yeah, it was really good. Now ready to start a new day, day 2. Well, I guess we already started it, but you know what I mean. That PCT sign looked scary, like, ooh, you're going into the forest. Now we're going under a bridge. Wow, the change of scenery is just amazing so far. The desert, I don't know, I think when you think, well, at least when I thought of desert before, I think of kind of a uniform type of environment, but it's so various and changing. Because of all the water this year, the wildflowers are just out like crazy. and there's a lot of water flowing in the streams and creeks, so it's really nice. We've been kind of seeing the same people the last couple of days. We keep running into them. Really cool people so far, and I definitely want to introduce you to more people that I meet along the way, but kind of just trying to wait till everyone gets into their hiking groove and I get into my groove as well. It's a lot of new things going on, and I just feel like throwing a camera into someone's face isn't really that great. So eventually I want to introduce you to more people. But yeah, people from all around the world are out here, and everyone with different backstories, and yeah, really cool. We walked about 13.5 miles today. We probably could have walked longer, but it started raining, and then there was some lightning, and then we saw like a good site camp spot, so we were like, we'll take it. Now we're eating some instant mashed potatoes, heated up with some cheese added to it.
Gourmet.
Gourmet, yeah. But it's warm and that's good. That's it. This is the life now. Pretty crazy, pretty exciting.